Hello everyone, in this video I will demonstrate how to generate BFSK or rather binary frequency shift keying. So let me first explain what is BFSK. Here two carriers are there. Suppose the input sequence is 1 0 1 0 0 1 like this. This is time, this is amplitude. Here we will use two carriers. One is having higher frequency and another one is having lower frequency. Suppose this one is having higher frequency like this. Higher the frequency, lower will be the time period. Time, amplitude. Suppose it says cos 2 phi f h t, h for higher, and this one is of lower frequency. So the time period will be more. Time, amplitude, say is at cos 2 phi fl t. Okay, so now I will tell what will be the output of BFSK. If the binary input is 1, then the carrier having more frequency or higher frequency will be there in the output. So let me first draw this line. In this area there is 1 in the input, hence this signal having higher frequency will be reflected here, hence higher frequency signal will be there. Here the input is 0, hence the signal having lower frequency or the carrier having lower frequency will be there in the output. So like this. Again there is 1 higher frequency, again there is 0 lower frequency, again 1 higher frequency. So this is the waveform of BFSK. So now I will draw the block diagram of BFSK. Block diagram. Let this be the binary input sequence BT that is separated into two parts. One is given to an inverter, another one is given to the level shifter, the output of the level shifter is provided to a product having input this output level of the level shifter and the carrier having higher frequency cos 2 pi fht. This output of the inverter is then passed through a level shifter and this output is again fed to a product modulator where the input is given as the lower frequency carrier cos 2 phi flt. One input is this level shifter, another input is cos 2 phi flt, that is a lower frequency carrier, and these two output is summed and we get our resultant BFSK. So how it is working? Here the binary input sequence, one part is directly given to the level shifter. So after the level shifter it will be like PS TB into PHT, right? PS is the power of the signal and TB is this time period. If it is 1, then it will be PS TB into PHT, and if it is 0, then the output will be 0. Here the BT is transformed after an inverter, so if it is 1, here will be 0. Okay, and here also after the level shifter the output will be PS TB into PLT root under. Okay, now see carefully. If this one is on, this one will be off. If this one is on, this one will be off. Hence the output will be in same phase. Here the higher frequency carrier is multiplied with the PS root under PS TB into PST, and here lower frequency carrier is multiplied with PS TB into PLT. Now after the addition we get our resultant, this signal. By this way BFSK is generated. Hope you like this video. If you have any problem, tell me in the comment section, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe.